Here's a look at your daily market report on this Wednesday, the 18th day of June. Nothing as far as early listings go for any of the auction barns around the state today. Box beef cutout values, choice at $388.69, up $218. Select at $375.02, up $248. Those values based on 57 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. Choice Select spread at $13.67. That choice cutout value just continues to climb higher since the 6th day of this month, gaining almost 23 full dollars, with every consecutive day being higher. Negotiated feedlot trade, some light volume turned in, just under 4,000 head. In Nebraska, about 1,300 live sales at $235, dress sales at $376. Iowa turned in just under 600 head, $235 live, $376 dressed. If that indeed does turn out to be the market this week, that would make those live sales about $5 to $7 lower, dress sales $4 lower. Nothing reported so far this week in Texas. Kansas has reported just under 400 head. Some mid-choice grade heifers at $229. Some higher choice grading steers at $231. If that holds true, that'd be about $4 to $6 lower than last week. Taking a look at the auction barns around the state on Tuesday, it was an off week this week for scheduling at Unionville Livestock Market. Lolly Brothers Livestock Market, they had a small cow sale, not enough to report there. Nothing from F&T Livestock Market in Palmyra. Was an off week for them as well. Kingsville Livestock Auction, they had 2,325 head. Compared to last week, the steers under 700 pounds mostly steady. Yearlings over 700 pounds were $4 to $8 higher. It was noted there was several loads of yearlings there. Lots of weaned and vaccinated calves, which helped that market to be one of the few that was actually higher yesterday. Interstate Regional Stockyards in Cuba, 1,469 head. Steers under 600 pounds stayed at 10 lower. Heavier weight steers stayed at $4 higher. Heifers, they were called $2 to $5 higher where tested. Southeast Missouri livestock sales, they had a light run there, 428 head. Steers and heifers were called $3 to $13 lower. Ozarks Regional Stockyards in West Plains, 2,486 head. Steers and heifers there. The yearlings were uneven from 5 lower to 5 higher. The calves, they were called 8 to 16 lower, some spots at 20 lower. Quality was noted as a bit below average. Lots of short weaned calves in the offering. The hotter temperatures combined with the sinking futures markets the last few days has really put some pressure on some of those lighter weight calves, especially those coming to town with little to no weaning and without shots. At West Plains on Tuesday, the steers, medium and large ones, 4 to 5 weights at 410 to 440, 5-6 weights at 367.5 to 395, 6 to 7 weights at 320 to 342.50, 7-8 weights at 300 to 315, some 8 to 9 weights, 292 to 312, some 900 to 950 pound steers at 282.5 to 294. Feeder heifers, 5 to 6 weights at 320 to 342.50, 6-7 weights at 297 to 318, 7 to 8 weights at 289 to 307.50. A small package 855 pound heifer sold at 260. Taking a look at the midday futures markets on the Mercantile Exchange, after opening lower, cattle are showing some signs of life now at midday. June live cattle up 82 cents at 224.07. August 211.27 up 62. October at 209.05 up 50. Feeder cattle for August up 90 cents at 304.25. September 303.80 up 90. October 301.97 up 97. Lean hogs for July down 17 cents at midday, 111.47. August 111.17 down 62. October at 94.95 down 22. On the Board of Trade, corn contracts, July's up a penny and a half at 4.33. The rest of contracts 5 to 6 higher. September 4.29 3/4. December at 4.45. Soybeans They're anywhere from 1 to 4 higher at midday. July 1078 and a quarter, August 1078 and a half, September 1062 and a quarter, November new crop beans at 1070 and a quarter. Wheat contracts 22 to 24 higher at midday. July 573, September 589, December 610 and a quarter. Soybean meal for July up $1.10 a ton at 286.20. Soybean oil for July 54.69 a hundredweight, down a dime. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's your farm news. This is Tony Hancock.